Hey guys, gonna go video real quick of some trades we're taking this morning. Basically we had a couple moves here. I don't like the algos. I went to the gym at this time, but basically once you start seeing this bounce up and break VWAP, these are easy stair steppers you could have had all the way to the resistance and then back down here at the open. I took another one over this shelf real quick just for a retest here. I didn't go for it all. I just went from this platform, since it showed me a platform, pulled down and broke that platform. So on the way up, and I just took it to this test area. Worked out really good. Broke down there and then just waited patiently right here for the bounce. Actually put an order in at the 866 level and got it right back to 950. Got that move and then waited right here patiently again for a 923 entry just for target one. And if it keeps coming back up here at this 926 area, which is doing right now, but it's gonna have to show me a solid candle and close. But otherwise really good. It's just bouncing, taking lower trades here, and if it can break here, take the trades. So that's the couple on Vesty just before the market, open the market, and currently you could probably just scalp this real quick. 926, maybe 15-cent play. And then SBFM looked like it was going to jump, so I set up some fibs. I did get a target one on this move, and then it's just downtrending. So if you see a stock downtrending, just draw a trend line. That'll let you do any angle, pick two tops, and when you start seeing 3 or 4, then it might be rebounding right here because it is making a higher low. And that might be confluent with another area over here, so that might be a good spot. But I would check your levels all the time, and if this was the other support and resistance, that's probably all it really just did. And then I just don't trade penny stocks, but if you're looking, always put one maybe at VWAP, and then take another one and always put it at where another area is going to have to break for it to go back up, so you don't miss much. Vesty, if it continues back up, you can just put there at that 927. See, it's hitting it right there again, as stated a couple seconds ago, right here. So if it continues to have higher lows, then it might be just on a slow regrind, but this also could be a bear flag. So if you're going to get in, it's going to have to be here, maybe up to there, and then not trade that anymore, because once it breaks this maybe by a penny to VWAP, it should just teeter off, because it just real big run up from this morning to $2. So don't be the person giving the money back to somebody else. CXAI, we're going to go over that real quick. It had a re-break at the open. So basically what it did is it petered out, and that was resistance, and then basically came down and started barely slow. Big fights. I waited and got this shelf right here, because these two shelves were the same thing first 5 minutes of the trade, and went up all the way to the 4. I think, let me show you what I did. I think I took it off because it looked really cloggy right here. Let me take that one off. That's the whole day plan, big one right there. So let's get rid of that one and just take it over the first wake up candle here. We're gonna just call that there. Yeah. So right there, did a perfect move right there from the 397 to the 467 area. Went a little bit more, good for everybody else, but really 421 was a big fight here, and then it finally broke a little bit, held it, still big fight. And again, right here, if it breaks this candle right here, it's gonna be retrending back up because it bounced VWAP, has to beat the last sell-off candle, and it could pop right here. So if I were to draw that, I would draw it like this. And just wait real patiently for this stock to prove itself right here. So it bounced here close enough to support, and then if it can break there, then that's what I would be taking, because it has a big thing. It at least hit target one and possibly, but it could only go retest for as all I know. And then Meso was another good one at the open right here. On this move, it was already gaining for a couple days right here. If you want to look at a 1 hour of it, you can quickly see some plays. That would be your first one right here, and then that's your target. And then today and yesterday, and I mean Friday or Thursday, I guess, on this one right here, just nice easy walk up right here. So if you wanted some targets, you would have to play it here, and that did hit target 2. So right here, that would have been the easy play just for that move. And let me go back to the 1 minute so you can see the details right here where it bounced down and bounced back up and broke this pre-market high, and that was the high. So right here, clean entry up to target 1. It went a little bit more. Good for everybody else. I'm out. So I actually traded 1 candle. When it breaks back down and breaks this area right here, I get back in, got the next candle to target 2, and then moved on. And if it continues to break down, all I'm doing is drawing a trend line between these down slopes. Let me move it down a little bit lower. You'll see it. And it's going to have to break that. So then right here, maybe put some alerts at VWAP and move on. Hey, y'all have a great day. Just going over a couple little tactics I do all the time when stocks are not going. If I'm looking around, I'm just looking for something. Let me look at one day. I think somebody else said some other ones were going well. Yep, it did. See, it did break that price of that 927 and ran up to another 40-cent pop right there. So that's definitely holding the support, and that's all it's doing. It bounced off support. See, it's going right there. So I've already traded all my money. I traded about $40,000. This is the other one that we're looking at, that it would have to break this area that we drew that fibs a couple minutes ago, went up, back down, and let's just see if it can hold that area of 456 and break through. And I think that's about it. So hey, if y'all need any help, we're about to start trading pre-live. So when you see this trading here, we'll be getting in those trades together. And then also on Bestie, walked you through this trade real easy. See Bestie's rebounding very nicely and walked you through this trade all the way through. So that was a nice easy trade as well this morning. So hey, y'all have a great day. And if y'all need any privates, reach out as well. Thanks.